Easy, natural 5-minute makeup for beginners. And if you missed how we did this beautiful eyeshadow look together, make sure you go back and check that out. Take your foundation color with your brush, dot it all over. This is going to be the easiest makeup that you'll ever do as a makeup beginner. All of my makeup is cream. It's all out of this one compact. It makes your skin look amazing, especially if you're over 40 like me. Because girl, just with this one foundation color, look at the difference in your skin. Look how hydrated and smooth my skin is compared to this side, which is just my bare face with some eyeshadow on. If you want to know what your foundation is, so that way you can smooth out your complexion, even out your skin tone, just comment match on this video and I'll pick out your foundation color for you. Create depth and angle and dimension with some contour. We're going around our hairline, cheekbone, jawline, and of course the sides of our nose. Right into your concealer. Brighten up these under eyes, girl. Add some beautiful brightness to the center of your face. Right down the middle is where the sun would naturally kiss you and brighten you up. Take that same foundation brush. Go ahead and just blend everything in. It's gonna go so fast for you because this makeup is so easy to blend. Creams work wonders with your skin. Not only does cream makeup give really great coverage, but it just moves with your skin. It's like literally skin. It's weightless and gives such beautiful hydration throughout the day. It's amazing. Comment match if you want something just easy and beautiful, especially if you're over 40 and you want your skin to look flawless. Right on down the line, I like to add in some bronzer for some beautiful warmth. To the temples, follow your contour, and then blend with a fluffy brush. Bronzer adds such beautiful warmth. Don't skip bronzer. Quickly touch up your brows. I use this color and just give little light feather hair strokes. I love coming to the front like this just to make everything look realistic and natural. This gives such a beautiful natural look. What color should I use for my blush? You've got options. These lip and cheek colors, you can mix, match. They double as lipstick and blush. Using that same brush that I did with my bronzer, go ahead and blend in your blush. Love this dense end for stippling on the color, and then this fluffy end for blending it out. I want to remind you as a makeup beginner, do not skip out on getting a quality brush. It makes all the difference. Take some cream highlighter. This is gonna give such an insanely beautiful glow. To the high points of your face, like above your blush, tip of your nose, bridge of your nose, and when you blend it all in, it looks amazing. Girl, look at your skin. Look how amazing your skin looks. Of course, eyeliner and mascara, and you're gonna be looking and feeling like a brand new woman. Always, always, we're over 40. A touch of setting powder on your under eye. This is gonna brighten, mattify, set your under eye so there's no like creasing or cracking throughout the day. And you have a gorgeous, natural looking makeup look for beginners. I always like to finish with a little lip oil. I just feel like it gives like the perfect amount of hydration. A beautiful little gloss. And you're ready to go. Now, all you need is somebody to come do your hair and you're done. Don't forget to save this video, bookmark it, come back to it, come back and do your makeup with me, and comment match if you don't have this one compact makeup yet. I'm gonna pick out your foundation color and let you know which color matches best with your skin tone. It's going to be amazing. See how that just melts into your skin? Something new, quick and easy that you need. This is going to change the makeup game for you. Easy makeup for beginners that gives a beautiful natural makeup look.